Hello my lovely viewers, this is Hello IT World Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to download and install XAMPP in Windows 11. So first of all we have to know the definition or explanation is XAMPP. What is XAMPP? It is Apache distribution server which is free and open source cross-platform web server solution stack package developed by Apache Friends consisting mainly of the Apache HTTP Server, MariaDB database, as well as the interpreters for scripting written in PHP and Perl programming languages. Since most actual web server deployments use the same components as XAMPP, it makes transitioning from a local test server to a live server possible. So go to the installation or downloading site. Here is the apachefriends.org XAMPP website. The latest version 8.2.12. Here, click here. It is Windows operating system, that's why we'll click the Windows. See, it's completed. Now click. Press yes. Okay, next. Here is our server site. Next, next, next. It is installing. See, it's finished. It will start first of all automatic. Here is our module, service module, Apache, MySQL, FileZilla, Mercury, and Tomcat. So we know what is Apache, MySQL. FileZilla is the one kind of FTP server. And Mercury is a fully independent mail server. This is also a mail server. And Tomcat is normally used to the embedded web server in Spring Boot applications. And it is a wave container that can be used for the HTTP server. Now open start, FileZilla start. If you're going the admit, it will go to the web browsing site. Then MySQL admin. See, we will get the PHP MyAdmin, that means the MySQL server platform. Then FileZilla. It is our FTP server. We know about this. Mercury. This is also HTTP server. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel.